Welcome to my channel Global Car. If you love discovering the latest, boldest, and most advanced cars hitting the road soon, then you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and join our growing family as we dive into another exciting upcoming model. Today, we're checking out the all-new 2027 Telluride, a flagship SUV that continues to set new standards in comfort, technology, and road presence. The 2027 Telluride carries forward its signature bold design but with a sharper, more modern attitude. The front fascia gets slimmer LED headlights, a refreshed grille, and more aerodynamic lines that give it a cleaner and more premium look. Kia has slightly increased the dimensions, giving passengers more cabin space while maintaining the strong and rugged feel that Telluride fans love. Inside, the SUV feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. Expect a panoramic dual-screen layout, improved infotainment performance, and upgraded materials across all trims. Seating for up to 8 passengers stays available, with enhanced comfort features like ventilated second-row seats, ambient lighting, and a quiet cabin thanks to better sound insulation. Kia's latest driver assist system also returns with even smarter lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and a more advanced highway driving mode. Under the hood, the 2027 Telluride is expected to offer its proven V6 engine along with a possible hybrid option for better fuel efficiency. The ride quality is smoother than ever, using updated suspension tuning for better stability and comfort during long journeys. Whether it's family trips, city driving, or off-road adventures, the 2027 Telluride continues to deliver power, luxury, and reliability in one package. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more upcoming car reviews and updates right here. See you in the next video.